Hey there, and welcome to the A Taste of Danish YouTube channel. My name is Liam. If you didn't do it already, hit subscribe now, the bell notification button, so you don't miss any awesome Danish videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another grammar focused lesson. In this one, we'll expand on our two previous lessons where we talked about main clauses, subordinate clauses, and word order. Let's make a quick recap. Hvad en hovedsætning? Hvad en hovedsætning? Hvad en hovedsætning? We discovered that a main clause in hovedsætning is a standalone sentence. A sentence that makes sense on its own or a complete sentence. Hvad ordstillingen i en hovedsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en hovedsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en hovedsætning? Can you remember? If not, go back and check out the class on hovedsætninger. We discovered that the word order is SVA, that is subject, verb, adverb. Perfect. Moving on. Hvad en ledsætning? Hvad en ledsætning? Hvad en ledsætning? Okay, so in hovedsætning was a standalone sentence. What was in ledsætning? A subordinate clause. That's right, you got it. It's a sentence that cannot stand alone, one that doesn't make sense on its own, or an incomplete sentence. And hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Can you remember? I hope so. You got it. It's S-A-V. This time, the adverb is coming before the verb. Subject, adverb, verb. Let's take an example where we have a main clause and a subordinate clause joined by a conjunction. Jeg danser måske i dag, selvom jeg faktisk træt. Jeg danser måske i dag, selvom jeg faktisk træt. Jeg danser måske i dag, selvom jeg faktisk træt. Sådan, okay. So, we seem to have this under control so far, right? My next question is, hvad sker der, når et adverbium kommer først i en sætning? Hvad sker der, når et adverbium kommer først i en sætning? Hvad sker der, når et adverbium kommer først i en sætning? Any ideas? Let's take an example sentence. We'll use the one we had previously. Jeg danser måske i dag. Jeg danser måske i dag. Jeg danser måske i dag. Okay, so here we have the main clause. We have the subject, the verb, the adverb. So what would happen if we put the adverb måske at the beginning of this sentence? Well, we get what is known as inversion. And actually it's very simple, because what is happening is the words jeg and måske, they're swapping places. That's all that's happening with this inversion. So now we have the sentence måske danser jeg i dag. Måske danser jeg i dag. Måske danser jeg i dag. So the two sentences are the same, they mean the same. All that's happened is we've changed the word order, and the two words, måske and jeg, they have swapped places. So now our word order is A, V, S. Adverb, verb, subject. Perfect. This is another clear comparison that we can make with English, because if you start a sentence with an adverb in English, if we translate this, you can see actually in the translation, it says maybe I'll dance today. So we're not saying, well, in Danish we're saying maybe dance I today. So that's the difference. The verb has to come first in Danish. And like I said, in a simple way, all that is happening is two words are swapping places. Okay, time to practice. I have 3 example sentences and I want you to change the word order. by putting the adverb to the start of the sentence. Here we go. Jeg taler desværre ikke tysk. Jeg taler desværre ikke tysk. Jeg taler desværre ikke tysk. Pause the video if you need a little more time. Have you got it? The answer is desværre taler jeg ikke tysk. Desværre taler jeg ikke tysk. Desværre taler jeg ikke tysk. Sådan. Næste. Hun spiser derfor ost. Hun spiser derfor ost. Hun spiser derfor ost. How about this one? You got it. The answer is derfor spiser hun ost. Derfor spiser hun ost. Derfor spiser hun ost. Easy, right? One more. Han hedder faktisk Morten. Han hedder faktisk Morten. Han hedder faktisk Morten. And the answer is faktisk hedder han Morten. Faktisk hedder han Morten. Faktisk hedder han Morten. Sådan, that's it. We got it. We mastered it. Boom, 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 boom. So, as you can see, this inversion thing, it's not so difficult, actually. It's pretty damn easy. And arguably, this is a very common way to talk with the inversion. So, I would say that the normal word order with main clauses is not exactly the same structure as in English, but it's a more English construction, this thing of starting with the word jeg, or with the pronoun hun, han, and so on. It's arguably more common to start a sentence with an adverb in Danish. So for me it feels a bit more natural to say faktisk hedder han Morten, rather than han hedder faktisk Morten. But it depends really on the context and what's being said and whatever. There's not really any rule. There isn't any rule. Both are correct. So no stress. Take it easy. Take it how it feels natural for you. And yes, you're well on your way to mastering this language. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, you can go over to tasteofdanish.com/DanishTube and become a DanishTube subscriber. Otherwise, if you liked this video, you can donate by clicking the link in the description, and you can just donate any amount that you feel is equal to the information in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again in the next one. Hej hej.